Hey folks, this is Victor McNeil with the Wallowa Avalanche Center. Today is Wednesday, the 10th of February. We're out in the Blue Mountains at elevation of about 5,200 feet on a northeast aspect. Just digging down into the snowpack, hopefully you can see just by looking at our pit here that we've got quite a few layers and some poor snowpack structure. These two popsicle sticks down here indicate the crust that formed on 112. We've got about 45 centimeters or 1.5 feet of snow since then that is at this point settled on top of that crust. In between my popsicle sticks are some weak, sugary, faceted grains. And I also found a layer of surface hoar buried in there. So we've got all the bad players in the mix right now. We've got the snow from between the 12th and now. On top of that, another pretty stout crust from this last weekend storm, and then a little bit of fresh on top. So in just looking at this already, I can already see we've got some issues. So we're going to do a compression test and see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so 16 sudden planar is our fracture characteristic. If this doesn't get your attention, I don't know what's going to. Again, what we found is that on top of this right here, I can see with my naked eye some surface hoar, also known as hoarfrost, that formed before this layer got buried. We haven't actually noticed any wolfing or shooting cracks in our travels just walking around today. It's so hard to know how widespread that layer of surface hoar may have been. But the bottom line is it doesn't matter. We've got poor snowpack structure. So we're going to continue to do some more tests here. But at least in this aspect, this elevation, this location, we're not that psyched on what we're seeing.